immediately po yan, may provisional reduction po tayo. Pending hearing, may hearing po yan no?
Okay.
Baka naman umikat yung other factors of operations, pero immediately, once the price of fuel drops below the 75 peso level, may provisional reduction po yan. Immediately.
Immediate.
Provisional reduction.
Pwede
ko kami mag-issue ng provisional reduction para ibaba ho natin. Kasi wala pa ho yung regular taxi, yung UV Express, kasi kaka-file lang ho nila last week, and yung motorcycle taxi.
Wala pa yun, sir. Pero may pending.
May pending petitions po sila.
Papayagan din yan.
We'll decide on this next week.
Okay.
We will look into the possibility kung justified ang provisional increase in the meantime. Depende po kung ano sasabihin nila. Kasi tatanong namin bakit last week lang sila nag-file.